And the New Earth Business Collective is saying thank you so much for having us here today and providing us this opportunity and this platform to be shown, to be felt. And just as you all took a few moments to feel into Gaia, we ask that you might consider taking a few minutes to also feel into our architecture. See what you see, hear what you hear, notice what you feel. Your perceptions about us are very important. We also thrive on divine service and divine co-creation. And that's a large portion of what's brought you here today. Ty and Jane are so passionate about co-creating with the divine in each aspect and area of their lives. And we ask you to consider taking that home with you as well. Asking yourself, what other areas of my life could co-creating with the divine support or improve? How can I manifest this desire, wish, or dream with the divine's help just a little bit more? The New Earth Business Collective and Mission Collective would also like to share that some of us have an approach with the divine, which is either open door or closed door. Either the divine is in or out. Either it's the divine's way or your way. Co-creation in its truest form is a compromise, a little bit of both. And that's why Ty likes to explain that we are her guides and her teachers, because she allows us in the door to have these conversations. She's willing to hear us without being emotional about it. She's willing to hear us out, to perceive our insights. We're never here to put you down or criticize. We'll only offer advice or opportunities for your growth, or shifting you into timelines or higher frequencies that will provide this ease and flow, this divine grace, and structures in the architecture of your business that are everlasting, always providing your unique soul codes. There's been a lot of talk throughout this workshop about a mission. And the divine is suggesting that there is a mission that is possible that could land for each one of you, as long as you stay true to yourself and follow your passion, your magic, and your joy. Your magic is that good stuff that's genuine to you, your processes, your methods, your belief systems around it, why you do the things you do, and how you do them. We have a phrase where we like to throw out there for someone who's maybe thrashing around, trying to understand what's best next, right for them. Lead with your joy. Always follow your joy, what you're excited and passionate about. Some believe that passion fades over time. This is something that your society has gotten used to. But when you truly endeavor to invest your all, your everything into something, it's always going to light you up. It will lead you out of dark places, out of dark times, and it will bring you a sense of purpose, feeling good about who you serve and how you serve humanity. And you will only get better with time as long as you commit to your mastery around it. So Creator is going to provide an activation at the end of this day, and you'll be invited to take part in it. And it will give you mission focus, mission clarity. And you'll be invited over a period of time to take part in a mission. And should you decide to do that, our collective will be there. We will answer the call to provide support and nurture your seeds that you're planting here now today. As long as you serve with a compassionate heart, deciding to do what's best for you, the planet, and those around you, will always be providing that nurturing support, just like Gaia does and has and will continue to do so. We work in concert with Creator and Gaia to nurture the souls who are here to support and shift humanity's consciousness, their ascension, their desire to be a more loving, compassionate community of people. So thank you for receiving this message today, and we'll be standing by to support those who ask for our help. Thank you so much for checking out this video today. Be sure to like the video, share, subscribe to my channel. And if you really had a wonderful experience on this video, I invite you to share your reflections in the comments section. I love reading those. And if you would like to explore some more of my juicy magic and medicine, please visit my website at newearthmagicschool.com and register for my email list. I've got some things that you're going to love exploring. And if you would like to join our wonderful safe space on Facebook, we have a beautiful community called Be Your Own Guru. Until next time, bye bye.